KRUGER Matz Live 7, and let me show you how to bypass Google verification on the following device. So basically, let me show you how to unlock FRP, how to activate your device with the forgotten Google account. As you can see, you can't bypass so easily the following screen, so let me show you how to do it. Let's use back key a couple of times just to open the first screen. Now let's choose Vision Settings, select TalkBack, and let's enable the TalkBack. Tap OK to confirm it. Let's write L on the screen. Tap TalkBack settings, double tap to confirm it. Now let's hold down together volume down and volume up. Keep holding those two keys for a couple of seconds. Tap use shortcut, double tap to confirm it. Let's use volume down and volume up together one more time. And TalkBack is disabled, that's what we need. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose help and feedback. Now let's tap get started with voice access. Let's play this video right here. And let's use this clock. So let's use the clock icon, tap accept and continue, choose no thanks. And now you can use the Chrome, so that's what we need. Let's here enter the following website, HardReset.Info. Alright, HardReset.Info. Now let's use this menu and tap download. Let's enter here Android 8. Tap search and let's download this app, Google Account Protection Bypassing Android 8. Let's here use download. Tap continue. Tap allow Chrome to access photos, media and files on this device. Tap OK. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, now let's tap open. Tap settings and let's enable from this source. Let's go back. Tap install. Let's select open, and here let's use Google Account Manager APK for version 6.0. Tap settings, let's allow from this source, let's go back, tap install, tap done, and let's tap on bypass FRP, tap browser sign in, use more key and select browser sign in again, tap OK. And now you need to sign in into the Google account. It could be any Google account, even a new one, not connected to this device. So that's what I need. Let me just connect to my Google account. This Google account is not connected with this phone. Let's just use next right here. It's time, of course, to enter the password. Let me do it. So if you are ready, let's tap sign in. Let me enter the password one more time. Alright, so let's tap sign in again. And that's it, the FRP bypass pops up again. So now you need to just press power key, tap restart and tap OK to confirm it. So let's wait until you will be able to use your device. Alright, the welcome panel pops up. Let's tap start. Let me skip connecting to a Wi-Fi, tap continue. Skip fingerprint. Let me just quickly activate the device, tap not now, skip anyway. Let's tap more and agree. And the home screen pops up. But to fully erase the FRP, you need to right now perform the hard reset. Let's tap settings. So find and select the system, select reset options, tap Erase all data, factory reset. Here you've got your account that you previously signed in, tap reset phone and erase everything. Wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Alright, the welcome panel pops up. Let's just quickly activate the device. Let me choose the English version. Tap start. Let me skip connecting to a Wi-Fi. Tap continue. So you can set up in your own name the following settings, but in my case let me just skip everything. Tap more and agree. And that's it, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.